Hey everyone, it's Brittany. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have partnered with FabFitFun again to do an unboxing video, and this is for their fall 2018 box. I love fall. If you know me, if you watch my videos, you know fall is my favorite season. So the fall 2018 box is beautiful. I love it. I think it looks so cute. I really love looking at all of the artwork on the boxes. They always look really cool, so I wanted to match it. I was like, what is more fall than a caramel colored turtleneck? I'm in like a full-blown fall vibe right now, so I'm very ready to do this unboxing. But if you are new to FabFitFun, if you've never heard of them before, they are a seasonal subscription box service, so they come 4 times a year. All of the boxes will have full-size items, just one of the reasons why they are my favorite subscription box service. You will get beauty, lifestyle, wellness, fashion products every single time you get one of your boxes, and they are all really amazing things. They do retail for $49.95, but if you are new to FabFitFun, you can use my discount code for $10 off. I will have it listed on the screen right here, as well as in the description box below this video. They also let you customize some of the items in your box, so I'm really excited to show you guys what I have in mind. So if you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe, and let's go ahead and get started. Inside the boxes, they always come with some sort of like magazine. It'll talk about the products inside, how much they're worth, and then also some stories and maybe about the companies or organizations that that box is working with for that season. Oh, okay, so this season they have partnered with Christina Applegate in the Right Action for Women Foundation. Right Action for Women was founded in 2008 by Christina Applegate to help women understand what it means to be at risk for breast cancer and to alleviate costs of advanced breast cancer screening. They also have a little interview with her, so it's really nice to be able to learn a little bit more about whatever foundation or organization that they're working with in these magazines. They also usually have cards with discount codes on them for the companies that they might have in the boxes. This one is for $3 off 1 box of Luna bars. My dog's name is Luna. The first actual product in here is really cool. These are a pair of wireless earbuds from the brand called Silo Cobra. They work with Bluetooth, which is really cool because I've never had a pair of wireless earbuds before. These retail for $40. I am really excited to use these, and I got the white one with like the pink details. Next is this big bag of detox bath soak. It's from Cusio Somatology, which I am probably butchering. It's called Yoga Detox Bath Post-Practice and Relaxing Soak Ritual. Baths are some of my favorite things to do. It's so relaxing. This one is made with Greek mastiha, Mediterranean sea salts, and goji berry extract. It smells like eucalyptus and it retails for $39.95. Next, we have a crown brush 6-piece brush set. I love crown brushes. Every time I would have a chance to go to like some sort of trade show, I would always go buy a bunch of crown brushes. It comes in this little faux leather case, and inside the brushes look like this. This is a really great brush set. This whole set retails for $75. They are 100% synthetic brushes, and you better believe I'm gonna get a lot of use out of this. This next product is from Skin & Co. Roma. It's Blue and Capri Shower Gel with notes of alpine rose, sage, wild basil, and autumn blossom. It has the little cruelty-free logo on the back, which is awesome, and it says you can also use this as a bubble bath if you want, which I'm sure would be really good if you use it with the bath soak as well. It smells really good, kind of like herbally but fresh, and it does retail for $22. I just spotted a beauty blender. I'm sure everybody is familiar with what a beauty blender is. They are makeup sponges. They retail for $20. This one is in a really pretty like blush pink color, which I've never seen before. I do believe the colors will vary depending on the boxes. I use a beauty blender pretty much every single time I do my makeup, so this is an amazing product to have in this box. I am super happy with everything in here so far. Next, we have this super cute set of hand towels. These are from Simply Whimsical. I always love buying like home decor things and like stuff for your kitchen, so this is really awesome to have. These do retail for $14.95, and I like that there is 2 pairs in here, and the pattern is really cute too. So here is the Luna Rika bar. That was the little discount code on the card that I got. They are gluten-free, non-GMO, USDA organic. It's cashew butter filled fruit and nut bar. That sounds really good. Should I eat it now? That was really good. They are made from recognizable ingredients like dates and nuts, making it a nutritious snack. Okay, next I have a product from Grown Alchemist. This is the Hydra Repair Day Cream in Camellia and Geranium Blossom. This says it has ingredients like rosehip oil and jojoba oil to visibly improve hydration, balance natural sebum levels, soothe skin, and repair UV damage. I really like the packaging. It's like very simple, but looks like sciencey. It does retail for $49, and on the side it has all of the ingredients and things that they're free from, which is great. It smells very floral. I love floral scents, but it's not overwhelming. It feels so nice. It's not gonna feel like greasy or anything on your face. This might be one of my favorite boxes I've ever got. And we're not done yet. So the next thing in here is from Alfred. It's like the tea company. I've been to it, I think, or I've just seen a lot of posts about it on Instagram, but this is a really cool looking teapot. It is ceramic and stainless steel. It holds 20 ounces and it retails for $26. So this looks like a personal sized tea infuser teapot. Though I guess it could be for loose tea or just like a regular tea bag if you just wanted to put it inside anyways. But how cute is this design? I love tea and I will definitely use this. The last thing I have in here is from Glam Glow. These are the bubble sheet masks. I've used things like this before. I'm not totally sure if these are cruelty free. It does retail for $18. It says watch it activate into a tingling 3D bubble experience. The micro bubbles instantly invigorate and detoxify the skin, revealing a glowing, deeply purified complexion. So that is everything in this season's FabFitFun box. I am obsessed with it. This is by far one of my favorite boxes I have gotten. I've always been impressed with them, but I'm just like really excited. I feel like everything in this box was just made for me. I forgot if I mentioned in the beginning of this video, but each of the boxes are valued at over $250, so you get a lot of great stuff, as you probably noticed in this video. And again, if you've never bought a FabFitFun box before and you want to try it out, I will have my discount code in the description box below. Make sure you use it to get $10 off your first box, and I will also have the link to the website down below as well. And let me know in the comments below if you are also subscribed to FabFitFun and if you are really excited for fall, because I definitely am. And I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!